photovoltaic systems, fuses also play a crucial role in protecting the circuit. We have developed a diverse range of fuse styles, with some products supporting currents up to 1 to 5A. Hello everyone, this is a fuse from China's CNLONQ. Our products are designed for easy replacement and simpler installation. Fuses are typically installed in the DC combiner boxes of photovoltaic systems. When the current exceeds a certain amperage, the fuse element heats up and blows. The high temperatures generated by a fuse blow can easily cause combustion. All our products are perfectly flame retardant. The workshop employs a large number of skilled workers to assemble products. Products are manufactured in strict accordance with standards. Please take a look at our production line below. Fast shipping. We support OEM, ODM, custom manufacturing. Upon completion of assembly, a dedicated inspector will conduct quality control. Place your order. CNLONQ offers a wide range of products. Certificates and equipment are complete. Multiple production and assembly lines. Export quality. Support OEM, ODM, custom labeling. If you need anything, please contact us. We are delighted to serve you. Bye.